That tie rod is snapped. Snapped pretty good. You know your tie rod is broken on this end? If you look down underneath it, your tie rod is snapped.
Really?
Yeah, look underneath. That's what I was just looking at right now. See it?
Oh yeah.
When you had it towed the last time,
Yeah.
did they pull it by that?
Yeah.
That's what broke it. Y'all gotta stop that. Just stop that.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? We out here on this 2015 Maserati Ghibli, whose owner decided it was done being broke today. Never fails, I get repeat customers. I towed that Maserati right there a couple weeks ago. But the last time I towed it, it had a hell of a lot more room next to it than it does now. That damn box truck next to it. Then from there, I gotta square up to it here. Basically block this whole thing off, and then I'm gonna have to go around the long way throughout the entire complex to get out. Damn. 2 times I had to tow this car. First time I picked it up, took it to a little neighborhood shop. They said that they couldn't fix it. All right, cool. So he had the thing brought back to his house. I go out the second time and man, there's a box truck parked right next to it. I mean, right directly next to this car. Made it a huge pain in the ass. And the guy that hooked it up grabbed on this car that's all-wheel drive, stuck in park, and decided to try to pull it on the flatbed by the tie rod. Damn. But let me tell you, tie rods are not meant to be pulled on. Tie rods are meant to connect the steering so the car turns, not for you to hook chains and straps to pull the car up. Fat man thinking slim. This car wouldn't be that bad if this truck was right here. But it's a great way to start this shift, I guess. Better do this shit at the beginning of your shift than at the end of it, I guess. Preferably, I'd rather not do it at all. That's not an option. The owner says that the motor was blown. You know, you don't pull from that shit, man. You don't pull from tie rods. You pull from control arms. When I'm getting down here, I'm wrapping this saw strap around this control arm. Don't pull from tie rods. That shit'll break every time. This last strap on here, and then okay. Shit, nah, that was like a 20-point turn. Getting this thing out of here. Right there next to this Penske truck. We got this damn thing out here. All loaded and ready to go. 20 miles, North Scottsdale. Here we come. I understand the thing is stuck in park. I understand that you don't want to pull a car that's stuck in park by them stupid eye bolt. Them things are like bullets and rockets when they come flying out, aimed directly at your head. I'm curious to see what that bill was when we took that thing to the Maserati dealer. But he personally felt like it was cheaper to fix the car than to turn around and buy another one, because these days, cars, like everything else, is not cheap. So you tell me in the comments, what would you do? Would you take your car to the dealership, have them put a brand new motor in it, more than likely a rebuilt motor in it? Or would you just spend the money, drop a down payment, and finance something else? I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.